Good morning, children. Children, I welcome you all to today's session of maths. And today we will be discussing about the chapter weights. In class 4th, you have already learned about grams and kilograms, and let's have a recap of that. Right? Just thinking about that, let us move towards more units of weights. Right? So we have learned that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams and 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. But there are many more interconvertible units than them. First is 10 milligram is equal to 1 centigram, 10 centigram is equal to 1 decigram. Right, children? So these are all interconvertible units of weights. 110 decigram is equal to 1 gram, 10 gram is equal to 1 decagram, 10 decagram is equal to 1 hectogram, and 10 hectogram is equal to 1 kilogram. Right? Also, there are some large units which are 100, which are like this. 100 kilogram is equal to 1 quintal, and 1000 kilogram is equal to 1 ton. Right? These are two very large units. Right? We often need to convert weight from one unit to the other, as you can see from this chart here, that all the weights are convertible. See, on if we move to this sides, we are adding 10 gram, and from here to here the flow is like this is the direction, and we move from milligram to centigram. 10 gram weight is added, then 10 centigram to decigram, 10 another 10 decigram to gram 10, and so on and so forth. Right? See, here we have to convert a smaller unit into bigger unit. We divide, and bigger to smaller we multiply. Right? This is common funda of doing it, that if we have to convert from big to small, we should multiply, and from small to big we should divide. Now let us fill in the blanks. 2126 milligram is equal to, in centigram, see here children, this has been shown here very aptly, that it has been divided by 10 and we get 212.6. 3872 gram is equal to 3872 divided by 10 decagram, 3872 decagram, and so on. Like this we have to do. Now this is an exercise. See, I'll be doing one question here. Right? See the first one, 2862 gram. We have to divide it into kilograms. So what we will be doing, we will be simply writing 2862, dividing it by 10. So you will be getting 286.2. Right? This is for decagram, but here the conversion is for kg. Right? So for kg we will be dividing it by 1000. Right? Because we know that 1000 grams are there in 1 kilogram. Right? Now what we will be doing is, this decimal will move 2 spaces ahead and it will come somewhere here. So the answer will be 2.862 kg. The answer will be 2.862 kg. Right? Okay, and this is how this exercise needs to be done. Now we add weights similarly. Before the decimal part is added with before the decimal, and after the decimal part is added with after the decimal part. See, here it has been shown we have to add 252.45 and 524.96. See, 45 is added to 96 and 252 is added to 524 to get a desired answer. Now add the following articles. First one, 367.87 is added to 624.87. So we will write 367.87, beneath it 624.87. We will add the two. 7 sons of 14, 8 to the 16, 117, 1. 8 to 12, put a decimal here, 12, 2, hasil lage 1, 6 to 8, 1, 9, and then another 9. So 992.74 will be the answer. Similarly, subtraction is also done in the same way, as you can see here. 972.507 kg, subtracting it by 531.295 kg, we will get 441.212 kg. Right? Okay, so subtraction is done. Multiplication, there is no such restriction. We will be multiplying each and every number, right? So that is, if we have to multiply it by 17, right, so we will be multiplying through 32.76 by 17, 7 also and 1 also. Then nothing like that, that before decimal or after decimal we will be multiplying by each and every number which is there. Now dividing weight by a number, division is just done just as a normal division. See here, each and every number is divided by the denominator, right? 411.678 divided by 18, each and every number gets divided. See, firstly 18 2s are 36, remainder 5, carry forward 1 comes down, and 18 2s are 36, as 18 3s is 54, which is big. So 1 5 and then 6 down, and so on and so forth. This is how we will be doing it. And now we come to the word problem. A bag weighs 342. Here you need to understand what kind of problem is, because addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of weights can be used to solve these practical problems, word problems also. This will become more clear by the following example. A bag weighs 342.961 kg. Another bag weighs 276.503 kg. What is the total weight of these two bags? Total weight means addition, so we will be adding the two quantities to get. See, and see, this has been exactly done here. 342.961 is added to 276.503 to get 619.464. Yes, right? So this is how you'll identify whether it is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and then you will solve this exercise, right? Now estimating weight. Estimation is done as per the instruction given in the question, right? See, around 442.6 gram to the nearest gram. That means we need to remove the decimal part. So the point of approximation will be 2. Now 0.66 is more than 5. So we need to add 1 to the prefix. That is 2. There will 1 will be added to 2 and we will get 43. Right? If it was to be nearest decigram, right, then it is already approximated. Or decagram, if it would have been up to decagram, then for decagram the point of approximation would have been 4, and 22, as 2 is less than 5, so 1 will not be added to 4 and it will be called 4 decagram, right? Similarly, sum and differences we will add, as you can see here, or difference we will subtract, and then we will do the approximation part. Okay, this is how you need to do these exercise. And with that we come to the end of the chapter. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it. Until we meet again, it's a goodbye.